we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT prompt examples to enhance your interaction with the model. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT interface. You'll see a section labeled prompt examples, usually on the sidebar or the main dashboard. Click on it to explore a range of pre-designed prompts. These examples are tailored to help you get the most out of ChatGPT, whether you're writing a story generating code or just exploring creative ideas. Choose a prompt that aligns with your needs. For instance, if you're working on a story, select the creative writing prompt. Clicking on a prompt automatically sets it up in the input box. You can modify it as needed to better fit your specific requirements. After tweaking the prompt, simply click the generate button. ChatGPT will process your input and provide a response based on the prompt example you selected. This method is incredibly helpful because it saves time and provides structured guidance on how to phrase your queries for optimal results. Remember, you can always experiment with different prompts and tweak them to see what works best for your particular task. If you want to create your own prompt examples, you can do so by clicking the Create New button, usually found within the prompt section. This lets you save custom prompts for future use, making your interaction with ChatGPT even more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.